Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, you are watching educational channel KMCH. I am Khalid Mahmood from KMCH Physics Academy. Today we have to solve objective type part of question paper first annual 2022 group 1. Let us see. The paper starts with a note. 4 possible answers A, B, C and D to each question are given. The choice which you think is correct, fill the circle in front of that question with marker or pen ink in the answer book. Cutting or filling 2 or more circles will result in 0 mark in that question. Question number 1 is objective type and time allowed for this part is 15 minutes. Maximum marks are 12 and there are 12 MCQ questions in this part. Question number 1. Racing cars are made stable by options are A. Increasing their speed, B. Decreasing their mass, C. Lowering their center of gravity, D. Decreasing their width. This question is from unit number 4 from page number 102. Vehicles are made heavy at the bottom. This lowers their center of gravity and helps to increase their stability. So our right question answer is at option C, by lowering their center of gravity. Racing cars are made stable by lowering their center of gravity. Question number 2. Water freezes at. Options are A. 0 Fahrenheit, B. 32 Fahrenheit, C. minus 273 Kelvin, D. 0 Kelvin. This question is from unit number 8, question number 8.1 and its part 1. We know that water freezes at 32 Fahrenheit or 0 centigrade. So our option is at B. 32 Fahrenheit. The correct answer is B. 32 Fahrenheit. Question number 3. By dividing displacement of a moving body with time we get. Options are A. Speed, B. Acceleration, C. Velocity and D. Deceleration. This question is from unit number 2, page 36. The definition of velocity is the rate of displacement of a body is called its velocity. The velocity is equal to displacement over time taken. So our option at C is correct. Answer is velocity. By dividing displacement of a moving body with time we get velocity. Question number 4. The energy stored in a dam is. Options are A. Electrical energy, B. Potential energy, C. Kinetic energy, D. Thermal energy. This question is from unit number 6, page 123. The energy possessed by a body due to its position is known as its potential energy. This is the definition of potential energy. Stored water possesses potential energy due to its height. So our answer at option B is correct. The energy stored in a dam is potential energy. Question number 5. In gases, heat is mainly transferred by. Options are A. Molecular collision, B. Conduction, C. Convection, D. Radiation. This question is from unit number 9, question number 9.1 and its part 4. Transfer of heat by actual movement of molecules from hot place to a cold place is known as convection. So in gases heat is mainly transferred by convection. Our option number C is correct. Question number 6. Which one of the following units is not a derived unit? These options are at A. Pascal, at B. Kilogram, at C Newton, at D Watt. Pascal is unit of pressure and it is 1 Newton per meter square. Kilogram is a fundamental unit. Kilogram is the SI base unit of mass. So it is our correct option. At C Newton, Newton is unit of force, it is a derived unit. At D Watt, Watt is unit of power and it is also a derived unit. So which one of the following units is not a derived unit? Kilogram is not a derived unit. So our option B is correct. Question number 7. A force of 10 Newton is making an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. Its horizontal component will be. Option A is 4 Newton, option B 5 Newton, option C 7 Newton, and option D is 8.7 Newton. This question is from unit number 4, question number 4.1, and it's part 4. We know that horizontal component of a force is given by F cos theta. Here F is 10 Newton and theta is 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is equal to 0.866. After multiplication with 10, it becomes 8.66. That is approximately 8.7 Newton. So our option D is correct, 8.7 Newton. A force of 10 Newton is making an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. Its horizontal component will be 8.7 Newton. Question number 8. Which of the following is a vector quantity? Option A is speed, option B is distance, option C is displacement, and option D is power. This question is from unit number 2, question 2.1, and it's part 3. Displacement is the shortest distance between 2 points and it is a vector quantity. So speed is a scalar, distance is also scalar, displacement is a vector quantity, and power is also a scalar quantity. So our option at C is correct. The displacement is the vector quantity. Question number 9. The orbital speed of a low orbit satellite is. Option A is 0, option B 8 meter per second, and option C is 800 meter per second, and option D is 8000 meter per second. This question is from unit number 5, which is gravitation, and it's question number 5.1, and it's part 6. The orbital speed of a low orbit. Low orbit is that which is very near to the surface of the earth, is 8 kilometer per second. 8 kilometer per second is equal to 8000 meter per second. So our option at D is correct. The orbital speed of a low orbit satellite is 8000 meter per second. Question number 10. Which of the following materials lower the friction when pushed between metal plates? Option A is water, option B is fine marble powder, and option C is air, and option D is oil. Oil is used for lubrication. You know, in our motorcycle, in our vehicles, in our car, we use engine oil to lubricate the engine parts. So oil is used for the lubrication of the metal plates. Our option is correct at D, that is oil. This question is from unit number 3, question number 3.1, and it's part 9. Question number 11. Which of the following material has largest specific heat? Option A is copper, option B is ice, option C is water, and option D is mercury. This question is from unit number 8, question number 8.1, and it's part 4. There is a table in your book. That table is 8.1, in which the specific heat of different substances is given. I reproduces here only those substances which are given in options. Copper 387.0 joule per kg per Kelvin, specific heat of copper, and specific heat of ice 2100 joule per kg per Kelvin, and specific heat of water is 4200 joule per kg per Kelvin, and that of mercury is 138.6 joule per kg per Kelvin. So the largest specific heat is of water, 4200 joule per kg per Kelvin, or option at C is correct. Question number 12. In which state of matter molecules do not leave their position? Option A is solid, option B is liquid, and option C is gas. Option D is plasma. This question is from unit number 7, page 145, in which the solids are described as solid have fixed shapes and volume. Their molecules are held close together by strong forces of attraction. However, they vibrate about their mean position but do not move from place to place. So, molecules of solid do not move from place to place. In which state of matter molecules do not leave their position? So, our option is A, solids. Students, this one is the annual question of year 2022 group 1. We have solved this objective type part. If video is good for you, then please like it. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe it so that you can watch more videos like this. May you live long. Allah Hafiz.